Okay, today we're going to talk a little bit about commission. First thing is that we need to look at is there's two kinds of commission: straight commission and then base salary. So straight commission means that your payment or your pay is based strictly on your salary or just on your sales. Base salary, typically what that means is that you get payment for specific periods. Maybe 1 hour, maybe 1 week, maybe 1 month. So a good way to think of this is a great example is like trailer sales. They wouldn't keep any salesmen in the wintertime because they're not going to sell many trailers in the winter. But if they pay them a base salary, they'll keep working throughout the winter, and then they'll make the majority of their money during the spring and summer months. Okay, so let's take a look here at Allie, for example. So she's a realtor, it sounds like, and she earns 4% of her sales. So she made 2 sales, 435 and then 327,000. So 435,000 and 327. So her total sales were $762,000. So basically, you're just going to take those and you're just going to add means plus. So her commission, well, 4%, change that to a decimal, is 0.04. So you're going to take your 762,000, you're going to times that by 0.04, 30,480. So her earnings is $30,480. Not bad, eh? That's why a lot of people like to be realtors. So when it's good, it's good. When it's bad, it's bad. Alright, Sabrina. She has a base salary of $340 a week. But plus, she also earns 1.5% commission on her sales. So 1.5, if we turn that into a decimal, is 0.015. So for a month, she earns $340 a week. So we're going to take that 340, we're going to times that by 4, 16, 12. So it's a base salary of the month of $1,360. Then her sales, we're going to take those and we're going to add them together. So she sold goods for $62,500 and then $48,920. So we're going to add that up. 0, 2, 14, 11, 11. So that is $111,420. So to figure out what we add to the 1360, we need to figure out what 1.5% of that is. So we're going to take the 11,420, I think it is. Sorry, 111. We're going to times that by 0.015. So that's 1671.30.
Mr. Irving, you enter the building. Could you please make your way to the office? Mr. Irving, to the office, please.
1671.30. So to figure out how much Sabrina earned, you're going to take your 1360, her base salary, and you're going to add her commission, which is 1671.30. And because there's no decimals there, we'll just put decimal 00. Add those together. for that month. Sabrina earned $4,031.30. Okay, Jamie has a monthly salary of $1,200, and he earns 3% commission on the first $15,000 for the month, and then 5% on any sales over $15,000. So, total sales for the month were $29,330. What was her gross, or his, should be his gross income for the month. Well, he already earns $1,200, so that is a given. So even if he didn't sell anything, he still earns $1,200. Okay. First $15,000, he earns 5%. So I'm going to take the 15,000, or sorry, 15,000 times that by 0.05. So 15,000 times 0.05, 750. And then for the rest of that, he earns oh, I'm sorry, I did that wrong. This should be a 3. Let's fix that right now. Eraser. So the first 15,000 here, 3%. Helps if I read my own work. So let's see, 15,000.03, 450. Then on the rest, he earns 5%. So we have to take 29,330 minus the 15,000 that he's already earned for. So 29,330 minus 15,000 is 1430, 330. And on that 14,330, he earns the 5%. So let's times that by 0.05, 716.50. So we're going to add all these up. So we're going to take the 1,200. We're going to take the $450. Now we're going to take the $716.50. We're going to add those all up. And we get 6, 6, 13, 2. So in total, Jamie made $2,366.50. Alright? Alright, I want you to try page 2021 and take a look at numbers 1 to 8. So while you're working on that, if you have any questions, just put your hand up and we'll help you out. Okay.